Right. So I hope you have understand that the data types not only known to the human, but also known to the system also. Behind there is a context-free grammar has been written in the form of an interpreter or compiler. అందుకోసమే కంపైలర్ డిజైన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎందుకు ఫ్లాట్ అనే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎందుకంటే బీయింగ్ అ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ గా యూ హ్యావ్ అ నాలెడ్జ్ టు డిజైన్ యువర్ ఓన్ కంపైలర్స్ అండ్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్స్. ఎన్ని ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎవరు రాశారా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అని? మనలాంటి వాళ్ళే రాశారు, isn't it? Okay, great. Let's, after complex data, there will be called as a binary data. Clear? Binary data, already you know that there will be zeros and ones. Yes or no? Let's suppose there is a b is equal to, what is this? This 111 considered as a decimal data or binary data? Both. It is an ambiguity for the computer, right? It is confusion for the computer. If you write like this, it will be treated as, you know what? Decimal data. You see, the same will be displayed onto the screen. Are you clear? If you write like this is also be a decimal data. I want to represent at a hardware level to declare the binary data, which follows a symbolic notation that the most significant bit is going to be a 0, followed by the B, then it is going to be, ఇప్పుడు 1010 యొక్క ఈక్వలెంట్ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూ ఎంత? ఇది 1010 is a binary data. దీని యొక్క ఈక్వలెంట్ డేటా ఇప్పుడు 10 లాగా వస్తుంది చూడ అవుట్పుట్. Which means that this is the symbolic notation to define the binary data at a hardware level through programming. దీన్ని ఈ పర్టికులర్ జీరోని మనము MSB bit. Electronic students, can you tell me what is the full form of MSB? Who is the electronic student? Somebody. Yeah, please tell me. Most significant bit. What about this 0? What is the full form of LSB? Least significant bit. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. So I hope you have understand. Now let us change. 1111 is an equivalent binary value for the 15. Are you clear? You see whether it is 15 or not. Clear? It automatically understands by the interpreter what sort of data you have declared is a binary. For the user understanding, it will be show you 15 because 15 is a decimal data. Human can understand only decimal data. మన mathematics లో యూజ్ చేసే base 10 డేటానే మనము decimal data అంటాం. మనకు అర్థమయ్యే లాంగ్వేజ్ డెసిమల్ డేటా రిప్రజెంటేషన్. ఆక్టాల్ కానీ బైనరీ కానీ హెక్సాడెసిమల్ కానీ ఇవి మనకు అర్థం అవ్వవు, కానీ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి మాత్రమే అర్థమవుతాయి అవి. అట్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ లెవెల్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ మేక్ యూస్ ఆఫ్ దట్. ఆర్ క్లియర్? నౌ సిమిలర్లీ ఆక్టాల్ డేటా. Sir, no. See, all these are mandatory to understand, being a programmer, being a coder, because, if you look at IBM purely works on the basis of the hardware and binary and hexadecimal data. Because, they'll work on a microprocessors. They'll work on very large scale integrated circuits. This level of knowledge is mandatory. For that reason, I'm just going little micro level, but don't think that it's very beyond your stage. So why this all bloody things are is explaining, don't think like that. It's essential to understand whatever the category of the person you are. If you want to be a software engineer, you must have this kind of micro level of knowledge. Are you clear? Like octal data. Octal data is a base 8. The range of values from 0 to 7. Absolutely, right? Okay. Now, obviously, I'll be declare V is equal to 0 followed by O followed by 1, 2, 5. Clear? Now, this is the octal data. If you print V, it will show you the equivalent decimal data. $85 is the decimal data, which is an equivalent to the 125. 125 is an octal data, which is equivalent data decimal is 85. Completely, it is a mathematical conversion will be takes place binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal binary, or possibilities you can able to referred certain things from the Google that where the type mathematics is involved. Binary number systems, binary number system, base 2, octal number system, base 8, decimal number system, base 10, hexadecimal 16. So if you look at all mathematical perspectives involved, how to convert a binary data to the decimal, there will be a conversion, how to convert the decimal to the binary, divide the two divided till the remainder will become 0. I think at a college level you might have learned. Therefore, I am not explaining you all this. There will be a purely mathematical process would happen to convert one form to another form. You can able to take this particular help and you can just go through that if you would like to know a little more over there. Okay. Yes. Clear? Now, let me go with the hexadecimal data. Hexadecimal data will be represented with a 0 followed by X followed by 1, 2, D. D is indicate 13. A is indicate 10, isn't it? B indicates 11, C indicates 12, D indicates 13. If you look at a car లో ఉన్న infotainment కి నీ మొబైల్ కి కమ్యూనికేషన్ యూజింగ్ I2C, UART, have you heard these protocols? ఈ సీరియల్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ మొత్తం జరిగేది కేవలము హెక్సాడెసిమల్ ఫార్మాట్ లోనే. Hexadecimal format is most powerful format where it will be occupied with less amount of memory. ఎక్కడైతే low range communication, flight computer, AC mobile, Alexa devices, this communication will take place in the form of hexadecimal only. మీరు ఆ లెవెల్లో వర్క్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇవన్నీ అంతవరకు మీకు అర్థం అవ్వవు, కానీ ఇదేంటి తెలుసుకోవడం అనేది మీ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? సో లెట్స్ నౌ I wanted to print J value. 1 to D is a hexadecimal value. What is the equivalent of the decimal value? 301 is going to become a. ఇది మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది, కానీ ఇది అర్థం అవ్వదు మనకి. ఈ 0x12D is electronic understanding data, but human understanding data is 301. Are you clear? Okay. Lastly, we have none. Right? So n is equal to none. You print type of n. It is none type. Nothing. It doesn't hold any value. It will be equal to 0. దీన్ని ఎక్కడ ఎందుకోసం యూజ్ చేస్తారు? Purely in functions I'll be declared accordingly. There is a concept called functions where I'll be discussing more and more about it. So do you have any questions till now? No questions, right? So please, that today's theory as well as today's whatever the programs I demonstrated, I think you would be able to practice now after my class. I'll be share with you in the group. Just you check it out once. Two 2025 అని ఉంటుంది చూడు, ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందా? Yes. Where morning new batch Python fundamentals. Yeah. So you can download them directly, open through the PyCharm. Clear? And I'll share even the this is related to, I think did I share with you? I think yes. ఈ చాప్టర్ 2 గురించి నేను దానికి సంబంధించిన ఎలాబొరేటెడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నా చూడండి. జస్ట్ యూ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్ వన్స్. Right. So kindly go through and just follow them and try to practice them, and you need a hands-on knowledge. So rest of the concept we'll see in the tomorrow's class. Right. I hope you are following. I think everybody have installed the related integrated development environment. Please, you complete all these assignments, discuss each other, understand them. If you have any queries, please ask me in tomorrow's class. Are you clear? Great. Thank you so much, guys. Monica, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
Related to today's class, no, sir.
Can you speak little louder?
No, sir. Today's class, there are no doubts, sir. If there are any tomorrow's session, I will ask.
Okay, okay. Sure. So అన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని అన్ని నీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్నవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయ మౌనిక. So if you have any
Okay.
questions, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Right?
Yes, sir. I downloaded,
Yes.
sir.
Thank
PyCharm
you.
and
Yeah.